सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 143, verse 49. तत्तदन्ते स्वतान्यत्वे त्वन्ताहन्ते परस्परम् प्रतिद्वन्द्वितया लोके प्रसिद्धे नास्ति संशयः। From 26th shloka onwards up to 56th verse, Vidyaranya is pointing out about the Satya Anrita Mithuni Karanam, mixing up of the truth and untruth. Satya means the truth, the real. Anrita means the unreal, untruth. Anrita. Midhuni Karanam means mixing up. Mixing and messing. Mixing up and messing up. That is called Adhyasa. Satya Anrita Midhuni Karanam eva Adhyasaha. Superimposition. Atasmin Tadbuddhihi is called superimposition. Kutastha Chaitanyam is Bimba Chaitanyam. The Jiva Chidabhasa Ahankara is Pratibimba Chaitanyam. We are mixing up these both, Chidabhasa Chaitanyam and Kutastha Chaitanyam. This Ahankara we are superimposing upon the Kutastha Chaitanya. Looking at the Kutastha Chaitanyam as Ahankara, Adhyasaha. Looking at the rope as snake, Atasmin. Where there is no snake, Atasmin. Tad buddhihi, snake buddhihi. Where there is no snake, Atasmin. Where there is no snake, Atasmin. In that locus, Tat buddhihi means snake buddhihi. Thinking there is a snake is called Adhyasa. Superimposing one thing on the other where it is not there really. Superimposing the snake, other one, upon the rope, really where there is no snake. This is called Adhyasa. Superimposing water on that dry sand, where there is no water at all. This problem has to be solved. Up to 56th onwards, we are seeing that topic only. Confusion between Buddhi Pratibimbita Chaitanyam and Kutastha Pratibimbita Chaitanyam, Bimba Chaitanyam. Kutastha Bimba Chaitanyam, Buddhi Pratibimbita Chaitanyam. Original consciousness and reflected consciousness. Kutastham is Bimba Chaitanyam. Buddhista avidyasan, the avidya upadhihi san jiva iti uchyate. That avidya, ignorance, in that chidabhasa, pratibimbita chaitanyam, we are taking it as Kutastha Chaitanyam. That is the mistake we are doing. This is Pratibimbita Chaitanyam is Adhyasa. Kutastha Chaitanyam is Adhishtanam. Rope is Adhishtanam. Snake is Adhyasa. Whatever you have superimposed is called Adhyasa. Adhyasa is possible only when there is Adhishtanam. You see water upon the dry sand or tar road. Adhishtanam is tar road. you see water, which is adhyasa. Rope is the adhishtanam, you see as snake, it is called adhyasa. Seeing one thing as other. So adhyasa is always happens when there is adhishtanam. Kutastha chaitanyam is adhishtanam. Upon that, buddhi pratibimbita chaitanyam is superimposed. What is this buddhi pratibimbita chaitanyam? Sthula sariram, sukshma sariram. The roles, all we are playing, everything we superimposed upon the adhishtana kutastha chaitanya. Really, which is not possible. Can you see the snake upon the rope? Really? In adhyasa? Is this snake what you are superimposing is going to touch the rope? It cannot touch. It cannot afflict the rope. Rope is snake at all is not possible there, but you are superimposing. Agatita, Ghatana, Patiyasi, Maya. That is the optical illusion because of your Bhranti at your eye vision. You see water suddenly. Even that flooring, if I see from here, I can feel the water. On the soft surface, I can feel water. But if I go near, now if you come and see, you can see water there. This is called optical illusion. Optical illusion. After the class, you come and see. This is called optical illusion. But water is not possible. You have all walked from there only. You have not felt water there. But the eyes are perceiving. Similarly, because of ignorance, Bhranti, because of that avidya, this Pratibimbita Chaitanyam Chidabhasa superimpose upon Kutastha Chaitanyam as body, mind complex. That problem has to be solved. If you resolve this Bhranti, avidya, adhyasa, you are muktaha. This Satya Anrita Midhini Karanam leads to Bandha. Satya Anrita Midhini Karanam, if you recognize that it is Midhini Karanam, it is only my aberration, you are Muktaha. Otherwise, you are Baddhaha. So, Bandha, Moksha, where are they now? In your own thinking pattern. Now Vidyaranya is telling, change your thinking pattern, see the world objects, one and other, or both are opposite. What are all they? He gives here tatta idanta, thatness and thisness. Tatta and idanta. Where are we? 49th sloka, first line. Opposites, three pairs he is presenting here. Tatta, idanta, one pair. That, tat, idanta, thisness. And the ta is called ness, abstract noun, bhava vitpatti. Tatta, thatness and thisness. That and this. That is not this. This is not that. Edirchul and chulva. Opposite words. That is not this is not that. This is not that, that is not this. Similarly, second pair is swata anyata. Swata means swatvam. Swatvam or swata, both are abstract. Same meaning. Swata means one's own. Swa means what? One's own. Swayam eva swata, one's own. For that opposite is what? Anyat, otherness, other one, not one's own. Either you can say other one or not one's own. Swayam ka opposite, anyat. Then third pair, tvanta hante, tvam and aham, you and I. You are not I am not you. Both are quite opposite. That's why husband is you, wife is I, or wife is I, husband is you. That's why husband is not wife, wife is not husband. சும்மா சொல்லுவா, நீயே நானு நானே நீ என்ன, அது எப்பவுமே ஆகாது. நான் தான், நீ தான். துவந்தா அஹந்தா. Parasparam, mutually, these three pairs are opposite each other. Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Kashmiram, Kanyakumari, opposite. Pratidvanditaya. Parasparam pratidvandi. Pratidvandi means each one is opposite to other. Opposite in artham. Pratidvandvi. Opposition party. Pratidvandi in opposition party. Opponents and artham. Pratidvandi means opponents. Loke prasiddhe. These three pairs are opposite. It is popular, well known in the loka. Prasiddhi means popular, well known. Where loke, in this world, there is no doubt in this. Na samshayaha asti. There is no doubt at all. Anybody is having doubt, I and you are one and the same. I is opposite to you. You is opposite to I. This is opposite to that. That is opposite to this. This is a nearby proximate object. That is far distant object. And far distant object and near object cannot together. No? Cannot be together. Opposite. Similarly, one's own and other. It is opposite. Other is not one's own is not other. Who doesn't know this? And everyone knows. Is there any doubt? Vidyaranya is asking, is there any doubt in this? Everyone knows very well. So what? Why you are talking all these three pairs? There is a necessity. There is a namakarana problem. What is that namakarana problem? Next shloka. Anyataya pratidvandvi swayam kutasthaisyatam tvantaya pratiyogyeshaham ahamityatmani kalpitah. Very important shloka analysis. He is going to conclude within the 56th shloka. He is going to establish how we are doing adhyasa, how to come out of this adhyasa, what is the cause for this adhyasa. All this he is consolidating from here. The namakarana, naming for this Chidabhasa is already taken as aham. Chidabhasa, ahankara, is taken as aham, I. This aham cannot be used to Kutastha Chaitanyam. I cannot be used for Kutastha Chaitanyam. This I is taken already for ahankara. Normal parlance, everybody is talking I. Do they know they are using that I for Kutastha Chaitanyam? Nan, Kutastha Chaitanyam. Anybody knows that? No. Everyone knows I means what? Ahankara. Either first person or second person or third person. Everyone knows as ahankara only. Therefore, that aham I cannot be used for Kutastha Chaitanyam. Because already taken by the ahankara. That aham is taken by ahankara, chidabhasa pratibimba chaitanyam, by ahankara. But what word can you use for Kutastha Chaitanyam? There is a bimba chaitanyam, Kutastha Chaitanyam, some word you have to use. Where is Kutastha Chaitanyam? Ingeda. In the adhishtanam, Kutastha Chaitanyam is here. How do you know? Chaitanyam is all-pervading. That Chaitanyam which is available in this body-mind complex is called Kutastha Chaitanyam. Like Ghatakasha. Ghatakashavat, Akasha is there or not? That has got Ghatakasha name. which Akasha is all pervading. So same way here, the Kutastha Chaitanyam is available because it is all pervading. What name you can give here in this person? Ahankara name, Aham is given to Ahankara. I cannot call this Kutastha Chaitanyam as Aham, I. So I have to give another name as Self. Self, Swayam. And the naming ceremony, Kaha, idella Vambadi Yambad. So many slokas. Swayam alone is the right word for Kutastha Chaitanyam, not I, Aham. Therefore, Swayam is the right word. How this Swayam fulfills two conditions. Why this Swayam is used for Kutastha Chaitanyam? It fulfills two conditions. He says that ideal name for Kutastha Chaitanyam, Swayam. Why it is ideal? Why Swayam word alone is ideal for Kutastha Chaitanyam? First condition that it fulfills is this Kutastha Chaitanyam, the Swayam can coexist with first person, second person, third person. The Swayam can coexist with first person, second person, third person. What is the first person? I myself, Aham. Therefore, already Aham is there. So, I myself. You cannot say Aham for Kutastha. Why? Because Aham is already in first person, occupied. Puriyardo? Koncham subtle. Aham word cannot be used. That I, Aham word cannot be used for Kutastha Chaitanyam because already I is there. When in first person when you are talking, I is there. Then Swayam if you use, that Swayam it goes along with first person, I, myself, and second person, you, yourself, he, himself. So I, you, he. I, you, he. So three. I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself. So this Swayam is going along with the first person, second person and third person. This is the first condition. All the three persons means first person, Pradhama Purusha, second person, Madhyama Purusha, third person. First person we take it as Uttama Purusha. This Uttama Purusha, Pradhama Purusha, in Bhandarkar book they put in the opposite way. In a regular other grammar books they put other way. So first person we take it as Uttama Purusha. Third person we can take it as Pradhama Purusha. Okay, I am always Uttama Purusha. Appadi gurchu gnapakam enchukondi. I am always Uttama Purusha. So Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha and Pradhama Purusha. So this Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Pradhama Purusha, known as three persons known as Chidabhasa. This is the first condition that Swayam fulfills. The second condition, the word Swayam goes with the first person. Now since the first person, second person, third person happens to be Chidabhasa, now you can say differently also. The Swayam can goes with Chidabhasa first person. The Swayam can goes along with Chidabhasa second person. Because second person happens to be Chidabhasa. First person happens to be Chidabhasa. Now how we are arriving Chidabhasa, you see. First person, second person, third person, I myself, you yourself, he himself is called Chidabhasa. Though Swayam goes along with Chidabhasa 1, Chidabhasa 2, Chidabhasa 3. What is Chidabhasa 1? First person, I am. So Swayam word can go along with the first person Chidabhasa. How you say? I myself. Similarly, the Swayam word goes along with Chidabhasa second person or second person Chidabhasa, you yourself. And the same way the Swayam word goes along with that third person, he himself, third person Chidabhasa. First statement when I am telling, only I said first person, second person, third person. Then what is the progress? This person happens to be Chidabhasa. You can say Swayam goes along with Chidabhasa 1, Chidabhasa 2, Chidabhasa 3. Chidabhasa 1, Chidabhasa 2, Chidabhasa 3 means Chidabhasa first person, Chidabhasa second person, or first person Chidabhasa, second person Chidabhasa, third person Chidabhasa. I am not confusing, I hope. Third person Chidabhasa. It goes along with them. Therefore, I myself, you yourself, he himself. So, ella Chidabhasa, all Chidabhasas, who is there? Swayam is there. Swayam is there. Where is Swayam? Myself, I myself, you yourself, he himself. That self is Swayam, is along with all. Therefore, which is the Adhishtanam? Where is this self? This self which is the Adhishtanam of first person Chidabhasa. Now this is the second condition. Now this self, Swayam, since it is going along with first person Chidabhasa, second person Chidabhasa, third person Chidabhasa, this self must be, Swayam must be what? Adhishtanam. This is the Adhishtanam, source, substratum. Substratum of I, you and he. I, you and he, substratum, Adhishtanam is Swayam. That is the second condition. Since Swayam fulfilling the condition to be as Adhishtanam of three persons, therefore Swayam is the only ideal name for Kotastha Chaitanyam, not Aham, I. I is not the ideal name for Kotastha, because I, Aham is given to Ahankara. I myself, and the I irukliyo, and the I already gone to first person. So you cannot say, who are you? Ante, I am Kotastha Chaitanyam. I already gone to Ahankara. That is why people cannot get Jnanam, idida Karanam. Nana. ಕೂಟಸ್ಥ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವ ಚೈತನ್ಯವ ಏನ ನಾನು ಅಹಂಕಾರನ ಪೊಟ್ಟಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಅವನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವೇದಾಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದೇ ಲಿಸನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಹಂಕಾರ. They listen as ahankara. Teacher party teacher is going on talking. This person is listening as ahankara because this ahang is already given to Chidabhasa, Pradimba Chaitanyam. He can never understand Kotastha Chaitanyam. Now this is called Sampradaya. Understand? No one can reveal. Very, very toughest portion in Vedanta. Very rarely teachers can reveal this. Manushyanam Sahasreshu Madri, in the points and reveal Pandanavanna, not ordinary thing. That is why many people are not able to become Jnanis. Puriyardo, in the Aham, you cannot say, I am Kotastha Chaitanyam Anada. I am, when you say, you are taking as first person Ahankara. Ahankara, first person can never gel with Kotastha Chaitanyam. அதனால அது வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே அது ஐடியல் நேம் இல்லை. வித்யாரண்யர் சொல்றாரு, Aham is not the ideal name for Kotastha Chaitanyam because this person already put this Aham in Ahankara. Therefore, he can never come out of that. I am going to select a new word. What is that? Swayam. That is Swayam. Now, next step in this sloka, don't see sloka. I am giving background to this sloka. It's a very tough sloka. Now, object and object, word and word, you have to connect. Our job is not over. Swayam, Kotastha, why you are choosing Swayam alone for Kotastha? Object and object you have to connect. Padam and Padam you have to connect. How to connect? The connection is like this. First, you have to take the object. What is the object here? Kutastha Chaitanyam is the object. Just think for some time. Kutastha Chaitanyam is the object which goes with Chidabhasa number 1. Because I said Swayam is the name for Kutastha Chaitanyam. Swayam is the ideal name for Kutastha Chaitanyam, I said. Now you can present it what? Kutastha Chaitanyam goes along with Chidabhasa number 1. In the place of Kutastha Chaitanya, we have used Swayam. So in the place of Swayam, I can use now what? Kutastha Chaitanya. Clear? Previously what I have used Swayam goes along with Chidabhasa 1 first person, Chidabhasa 2 second person, Swayam goes along with the third person. I said, since Swayam happens to be the synonym for Kutastha Chaitanyam, since Swayam happens to be the synonym of Kutastha Chaitanyam, in the place of Swayam, we can use Kutastha Chaitanyam. Now let us use Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam, which is the Adhishtanam, goes along with Chidabhasa number 1 first person, Chidabhasa number 2 second person. Kutastha Chaitanyam goes along with Chidabhasa number 3 third person. Sollalam illiyo? Kutastha Chaitanyam is the object which goes with that object. What is that object? Chidabhasa number 1 object. What is that object? I myself is the object. Kutastha Chaitanyam goes along with Chidabhasa number 1. That is why I myself am the Kutastha Chaitanyam. I myself am Kutastha Chaitanyam appearing as Chidabhasa number 1. I am Adhishtanam. Chidabhasa number 1 is Adhyasa. My reflection. It's my reflection. Then Kutastha Chaitanyam is the object which goes along with the object Chidabhasa number 2. Kutastha Chaitanyam object goes along with the Chidabhasa number 3 object. This one object, that one object. Two object connect panna. Kutastha Chaitanya enga irukku? Chaitanya ella edathila irukku. It is here, therefore it is called Kutastha Chaitanyam. Therefore it is now at Padartha level, Pada Artha level. Now object level we have seen. Kutastha Chaitanyam were object. Chidabhasa number 1, Chidabhasa number 2 object, Chidabhasa number 3 object. I am one object, he is one object, you are one object. Yes or no? In the 3 objects kuda in the Kutastha is going along with everyone. Because Kutastha happens to be Swayam. Swayam, I myself, you yourself, he himself, Kutastha Chaitanyam irka illaya? Kutastha Chaitanyam is there. I myself, that Chidabhasa, Chitti irka illaya? Chitti is there or not? Otherwise, how can be Chidabhasa? Kutastha Chaitanyam is Chit. Chidabhasa number 1 is reflected consciousness. The reflected conscious number 1, reflected conscious number 2, you, reflected conscious number 3, he. In the reflected conscious number 3, reflected conscious number 2, reflected conscious number 1, this reflection is possible because of Kutastha, the original Chit. Now the Kutastha original Chit is there in 3 of them or not? That is why we say Kutastha Chaitanya goes along with Chidabhasa number 1, Chidabhasa number 2, Chidabhasa number 3, because these 3 Chidabhasas cannot exist without Chit Kutastha. Kutastha Chaitanya. Without Adhishtanam, how Chidabhasa exists? Without Chit, Chidabhasa can be formed. Without your original face, beautiful face. A beautiful face can be seen in the mirror. Without original face, your reflected face can be seen? It cannot be seen. So, reflected face, as you are seeing, what you have to understand, there is original face. This is Mukhalla, Ore, Anandam, example. Same way you understand now. Here three mediums are there. He is one medium, you are one medium, I is one medium. In this I, you, he, the Kutastha Chaitanyam, like original face, reflecting as Chidabhasa number 1, Chidabhasa number 2, Chidabhasa number 3. Reflected consciousness number 1, reflected consciousness number 2, reflected consciousness number 3. Who is Adhishtanam for the three Chidabhasas? Kutastha Chaitanyam. Other name is Chit. Kutastha Chaitanyam or Chit. That Chit, Kutastha Chaitanyam, goes along with all the reflected consciousnesses. Reflected consciousnesses Bahuvachanam. Original consciousnesses sollakudadu. Kutastha Chaitanyam is original consciousness. Only one. That is why when we extend with Padartha, that is words, at the Padam level, how do you say, how do you connect? Na? The word Swayam is associated with Aham. The word Swayam is associated with Tvam. The word Swayam is associated with Saha. This is Pada level, you have to connect. Padartha level, how we have connected? Kutastha Chaitanyam is associated with Kutastha Chaitanya Padartha, that object associated with Chidabhasa, one object. Kutastha Chaitanyam object associated with Chidabhasa number 2 object. Kutastha Chaitanyam is associated with Chidabhasa number 3 object. Padam level, how we saw already, Swayam is associated with Aham. Swayam is associated with I or not? I myself. Myself is the Swayam. I is Ahankara, first person. Then Swayam is associated with you, Tvam, yourself, yourself. And the you and the Ahankara. That you and the Chidabhasa, yourself is Swayam, Kutastha Chaitanya. Then he himself, when you say the Swayam, and the self, he himself kulla irukra self irukliyo, and the self and the Swayam. He with the Chidabhasa. Number 3. Puriyar than nenekara. Okay, now look at the shloka. இன்னும் ஆகலை இருக்கு டெர்ஸ் ஒரு வாட்டி மீனிங் பார்த்து வில் சி. அந்யதாயாக பிரதித்வந்த்வி. அந்யத், தட் வேர்ட் we saw in the previous shloka. ஸ்வதா அந்யத்வே. அந்த ஸ்வதா இது ஸ்வயம். அந்யத், one's own opposite is what? Other one. One's own other one. That is the meaning here. He says pratidvandvi. Pratidvandvi means opponent. Anyatayaha pratidvandvi. That other one opposite is what? Swayam. Where it is said? 49, first line. Swatanyatve pratidvandvitaya visa. அதே பிரதித்வந்தி again explaining. நமக்கு புரியாத நமக்கு தெரியும் வித்யாரண்யருக்கு. So he is explaining what is that opponency, how they are opposite, how you should take this Swayam. Swayam, one's own, opposite, other one. Anyatayaha pratidvandvi into podungo. Anyatayaha, and the anyatake pratidvandvi, what is it here? Swayam. So what is that Swayam? Kutastha ishyata. Appa namakaranam over. Function. Namakarana celebration over. அதுதான் இவ்வளோ நேரம் நான் பேசினது. Why we are taking Swayam for Kutastha? Because Swayam alone is the right word. Swayam Kutastha ishyata. May you consider the Swayam as Kutastha. I am giving the name Kutaswayam to Kutastha. Kutastha ishyata. May you understand. Ishyata means may you understand. May you take in this manner. What is that? Swayam as Kutastha. What is the Swayam? Which is the opponent of Anyat? Anyatayah pratidvandvi Swayam Kutastha Ishyatam. If Swayam place la Kutastha you can use happily. Because I have given another name. Swayam name I have given for Kutastha. Therefore, instead of Swayam, you can use Kutastha. Either you use Kutastha or Swayam, both are one and the same. Next line. Tvantayaha. Tvantayaha pratiyogi yeshaha aham. Tvam. The opposite in see in the previous sloka 49. Tvanta ahante. Pratidvanti. You opposite I. I opposite you. So tvantayaha. Of that tvam pratiyogi, the opposite word, pratiyogi means opposite word. What is the opposite word for tvam? Aham. What is in English? Tvam means you. You opposite in I. Opposite into potugo. Into. Tvam opposite I. You. Tvam is you. Aham is I. Both are opposite. Tvantayaha pratyogi. Who is that? Yeshaha aham. That tvantayaha pratyogi aham yeshaha. What name shall we give? Aham. Not naming ceremony. You have already named. That is why I am in trouble. Vidyaranya says, you have taken that aham to your Chidabhasa. Therefore, I have to search for a word, Swayam, 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 for Kutastha. Now, this aham, which is the opposite to Tvam, what is this aham? Ahankara, Chidabhasa. You are superimposing kalpitaha. Aham iti atmani kalpitaha. Atmani means Kutastha chaitanye kalpitaha. And ingeda gatti melam. Adu gatti melam vere. Adu mokshatti gatti melam. Idu samsarattiki gatti melam. Two gatti melam. Okay. Mahavakya tattvamasi gatti melam for moksha. Samsara begins here. இந்த கட்டி மேளம் சம்சாரத்துக்கு கட்டி மேளம் இதுதான் என்னென்ன the word which is opposite to tvam, that is aham, that aham ahankara chidabhasa number 1 superimposed upon Kutastha atmani. Atmani means here Kutastha chaitanye. We have to in the Kutastha Chaitanyam. Atmani means in the Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kalpitaha means superimposed. Superimposed. After superimposing the snake, we never know what is rope. As you are superimposing, you have missed what? Rope. Once you superimpose the snake upon the rope, there is no more rope for you. You don't know that you are superimposing. You see only what? Snake. Snake, oh snake. Adi madri, once you superimpose this aham, ahankara, chidabhasa number 1, lower I anartham. You are superimposing the lower I upon the higher I, Kutastha Chaitanya. Nobody knows except Panchadashi student. Panchadashi student ke puriyamane kashtapadra. What to talk of other people? Panchadashi student himself or herself breaking head to understand Kutastha. After superimpose, Kutastha Chaitanya place rope vechukonu. Okay, aham is what? Ahankara. This ahankara is Chidabhasa number 1 or Chidabhasa number 2? Chidabhasa number 1. Everyone do adhyasa on their own. First adhyasa starts. Later all adhyasas comes. So I, ahankara, Chidabhasa number 1, reflected consciousness number 1, aham, superimposed upon the Kutastha. In this, what is the example? Snake. In the snake, ahankara. Adikada ahankara means snake, hood. Ahankara hood. Aham iti karoti. Ahankara superimposed upon the rope like Kutastha Chaitanyam. Now this Ahankara is Satyam, or this Kutastha is Satyam. Kutastha is Satyam. The superimposed snake is Satyam, upon which it is superimposed is Satyam. Upon which it is superimposed, rope is Satyam, snake is not Satyam because snake is not there. Similarly, Ahankara is not there really. It is our own ignorance. We are superimposing upon Kutastha Chaitanyam. That is my original nature. Ahankara is not my original nature. I have mistaken myself as Ahankara instead of understanding myself as Kutastha Chaitanyam because of Ajnana. Now somebody says, a side point, very important point. It is very tough, but I want to introduce. I don't want to leave it. Some people say, let us drop I. Nanangarade marandidu. I forget. You forget the I. Negate the I. That is why sit in Samadhi. Forget I. Forget I. Negate the I. Drop the I. Drop the I. If I drop I, how do I know the self? How do I know the self? If I drop the I, Samadhila Ukkanande, I forget myself. I totally drop. Then how do I know I am the self? How do I know I am the self? The yoga people, Kundalini, Samadhi, Abhyasa people, all people who are all sitting, because this I is the problem for everything. Therefore, sit in meditation, negate the I. I am not there. I am not there. I am not there. If you negate the I, how do you know you are the self? Suppose to know the self, if I negate panna kodadu irkanu. Then what? I want to know the self. If I negate the I cannot know the self. To know the self, I want to retain the I. First mistake is what people first think, what I argument. Negate the I, because I alone is the problematic. Negate the I, drop the I, they say. What I am asking, Acharya is asking, if you drop the I, who can know the self? You cannot know the self. Second statement, if I drop the I cannot know the self. Therefore, what is the third statement? To know the self, I have to keep the I. I want to know the self. I want to know the... I am keeping the I, so I want to know the self. If you want to know the self, you must be what? Knower. To know the self, I want to know the self. Unless you are the knower, you want to be a knower, you cannot know the self. So once you want to know the self, you are the knower trying to know the self. Pramata. Okay, you want to retain the knower. Steps puriyardo. One person says, I drop pannana. We ask, if you drop the I, how can I know the self? Second statement. Third statement, okay, I want to know the self. Suppose you say, I want to know the self, I have to be knower. I have to retain I, and I have to know the self. To know the self, I must be the knower. Knower who is trying to know the self. Then what here? The knower, Chidabhasa, to be retained. I, the Chidabhasa, to be retained. The knower, Pramatrutvam, to be retained to know the self. Priyardo, nalavadu statement. I want to retain to be as Pramata. Pramata is to be retained to know the self. What is the problem? Here problem comes. If you retain I to retain Pramata, knower, if you retain Pramata to know the self, self become an object. What we say, you can never know the self. We say, how can you retain pramatritvam to know the self? Self can never be known. It is aprameyam. Therefore, you cannot retain the knower. Because I want to be a knower of the self. If you say, self, can it be known? Self need not be known, because self happens to be I. I happens to be the self. I need not know the self. I and self are not different. Therefore, you need not drop the I. You drop the knower. Understand? You need not drop the I. I happens to be the self. You need not know the self because I happens to be the self. Therefore, since you need not know the self, you can drop the knower status. Pramatrutvam you have to stop. What Upanishad is telling, Upanishad is not teaching through Mahavakya, you can know the self. If you study Vedanta, you know the self. Cholaliye. Vedanta never says, you know the self. Cholale. On the other hand, Upanishad says, what? You cannot know the self. Aprameyam. It is not, when the self is not an object of knowing, your knower can retain the knowerhood. Knowerhood can be retained when the self is not an object to know. It is not a knowable object. When it is not a knowable object, why you want to retain knower? Drop the knowerhood, not I. I need not be dropped because I happens to be the self. Because you do not know that. That is why you are you want to drop the I and you want to see the self. அச்சு பிச்சு மாதிரி எங்கே பார்க்க முடியும்? ஐ ட்ராப் பண்ணின செல்ஃப் எப்படி பார்க்க முடியும்? அதுதான் ஃப்ரம் சுற்றி உழைச்சி கொண்டு வந்தேன் நான். இப்போ ஐ யூ வாண்ட் டு ரீடெயின், ஐ ஷுட் நாட் பி ட்ராப். இஃப் ஐ நோ, அதுக்கு தான் அவன் பக்கமாக போகணும். அவன் தோள் மேலே கை போடணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. போட்டுட்டு அவன் அப்படியே சமாதி கட்டணும். எப்படி என்ன? People sit in meditation, they want, I want to drop, I, போ என்ன ஐ போகணும் என்ன, அதுதானே ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக். அதனால் நீப்போன்னு சொன்ன எங்கே போகும் பாவம் அது. அப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா, ஏய், இஃப் யூ ட்ராப் த ஐ, ஹவு கேன் யூ நோ த செல்ஃப்? ரிட்டைன் த ஐ. அவனுக்கு என்ன ஆனந்தம்! ஆமாம், ஐ ரிட்டைன் மை ஐ. என்ன, ஐ வாண்ட் டு see the self. Come on, we slowly bring him. I, you retain to know the self. First we say like that. Then to know the self, you have to retain I. Once I want to know the self, you are the knower. அங்கே வரைக்கும் கொண்டு வருவோம். கொண்டு வந்துட்டு I want to be the knower of the self. Then I'll ask, Shastra says self cannot be known. How can you know? There we ask. அந்த 2 சந்து வரைக்கும் கூட்டிட்டு போய் அப்புறம் அந்த ட்ரூத் சொல்லிடுவோம். சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் செல்ஃப் கேனாட் பி நோன். ஹவு கேன் யூ நோ த செல்ஃப்? யூ கேனாட் நோ த செல்ஃப். தென் அவன் நம்ம பக்கம் பாப்பா, என்ன பண்ணணும் இப்போன்னா? ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம், அந்த செல்ஃப் நீதா. ட்ராப் த நோவர் ஸ்டேட்டஸ். பிரமாத்ருத்வ நிவృత్తిஹி ஏவ மோக்ஷா. And the self that which you want to see, ஆத்மா பார்க்கணும். நீ பார்க்கணும்னு யாரும் சொல்றானோ அவனே ஆத்மா. நீ பார்க்கவே வேண்டாம். That self, I are one and the same. But you are taking this I as ahankara. That is the problem. It is Kotastha Chaitanyam, the self are one and the same. Where is Chidabhasa other than Chit? Isn't it? Where is this Chidabhasa other than Chit? Chit alone is appearing as Chidabhasa. Therefore, in the Chidabhasana vidu. In the Chidabhasana pathinde, Chittu nanda Chidabhasana theriyare ani therinjuko. Appo drop the knower status. That's all. You need not do anything. Knower, அது drop பண்ண I remain. Then how do I know self? If I drop the knower, question, if I drop the knower, how do I know the self? You need not know the self. Who is left out behind? If I drop the knower, who is left out? That left out I happens to be the self. I want to know the knower. This I and knower you drop, who is left out? I left out. When I left out, this I happens to be the self. You need not see the self. Therefore, happily you can drop knowerhood. And the kalpitam poidum. Avladha. Okay. This is what I want to communicate. So therefore, finally, aham atmani kalpitaha. This ahankara aham is superimposed. The second line. Aham atmani kalpitaha means this ahankara aham is superimposed. Swayam kutastha, the self. Superimposed upon what? Kutastha. Which is kutastha? Swayam. Which is named as Swayam. So word wise, if you see, you have to say aham is superimposed on Swayam. Word wise, you have to see now. Word wise, aham is superimposed upon Swayam. Chaitanyam wise, if you say, you should say Abhasa Chaitanyam is superimposed upon Kutastha Chaitanyam. Aham is superimposed upon Swayam. And the word used pandina ipdi sollanam. You should say aham is superimposed. Aham is ahankara. Ahankara is superimposed upon Swayam. Chidabhasa Chaitanyam is superimposed upon Kutastha Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam wise, if you want to say, I is superimposed on self. Chaitanyam is Kutastha Chaitanyam. Upon that, Abhasa Chaitanyam is superimposed. And that is. So every individual is a mixture of I and self. And the I, taniya pirichiti, ahankaramaki, chidabhasam. Kashtapadra. So I, chidabhasa, doesn't exist without the self, Kutastha Chaitanyam. Why, Swamini? Why this mistake is happening? Next. Ahanta svatvayo bhede rupyate dantayoriva spashtepi mohamapanna ekatvam pratipedire. This is happening because teachers are talking hours together and you are managing not to understand because moham apanna. They are obsessed with moha, delusion. Because of that delusion, bhranti, moha, they are not able to know this. What is that moha? Ahamta svantayo bhede. Ahamta and swanta. Swanta means swayam. Ahamta means aham. So, these both are different actually, but we are managing to superimpose. Spashte api mohamapanna. It is spashtam only. I, myself. Two words we are using. I, myself. Enak, nan. Appadana meaning in Tamil? I, myself means enak, nan. And the enak, nan andala rundirukku. Mixture. We are not knowing. Enak, nan and sollum I, myself, there are two. One is Chidabhasa, Ahankara, another one is Kutastha Chaitanyam, Swayam. These two. You are mixing up and messing up. Just as he gives example, first line, second half, Rupyate dantayoriva. Rupyata idanta. Now see the example, there is a silver shell is there. Upon the shell you are superimposing silver. So, Velli, he is very much obsessed with Velli. Silver. So once you are obsessed with silver, whatever you see some shining, it appears as silver. Then this is a shell. This is shell. You are superimposing this is silver. And that this is belong to silver or shell? This belong to silver or shell? Shell. Now you have taken this to silver. Who gave rights to you? Who gave rights to you to take like that? You have no right. Without permission, no admission, trespassers will be prosecuted. Will prosecute you. But you are doing that. Rupyata idanta. Idanta means this. Rupyata means this is silver. Silver coin. You have borrowed this from where? Shell. Because your silver coin is not there. You say silver is. That easiness belong to shell. Say again. Easiness belong to shell. But you are taking to silver. Rupyata idantayoho iva. Just as you have taken this to your rupee, which doesn't have existence of its own, and taken that this from shell and say upon shell itself, silver you say, and you have left what? Shell. Your silver is real because it is existing upon this adhishtanam of shell. You have taken up. You are tiridan dane. Tiridan dane. You should not take it. Rupyata idantayo. Idanta means thisness. This is silver. That this is belong to the shell, not to the silver. Tadvat ekatvam pratipedire. Mohamapannaha ekatvam. This is silver. This is silver. Where is silver? This is shell. This is not silver. I am wife. I am husband. Who said? You have taken I am from swam. And it's telling husband. Who gave right to say husband? I am mother. I am father. I am brother. I am daughter. I am daughter-in-law. That I am you have taken from Swayam. Upon that you are superimposing husbandhood, wifehood, motherhood, daughterhood, sonhood, ella hood poti. Can this motherhood, brotherhood, fatherhood can touch this Swayam? I am. You have mistaken your Swayam as husband. This husbandhood, motherhood are real or unreal? That silver is unreal and you said silver is unreal. What about this mother, brother? I am is Satyam. I am is Satyam. This I am belongs to whom? Swayam. And the Swayatika Sambandhaman and the I am you have taken husband. Okay, this is unreal role play, but remembering and playing is wonderful. Forgetting and playing is samsara. Okay, there is nothing wrong playing the role by knowing. Without knowing, if you say I am husband really, silver is appearing, you can say nothing wrong. This is silver, I am going to get that, I am going to buy something and tagarar. Hey, silver is appearing, it's shining, it is not real. If you know and see silver also doesn't matter. But you take it silver as real, problem. Husband role is okay, wife role is okay, Sishya role is okay, Guru role is okay. If you see role, no problem. But you take the role as real, you will be rolled out. Do Nididhyasana a lot. Okay. You are the Swayam Kutastha Chaitanyam. Your role is superimposed for Vyavahara. It is temporary. Can this role touch the Kutastha Chaitanyam? I am. I am can be afflicted or touched? Nowhere. Anywhere, at any time, at any place, I, the Kutastha Chaitanyam, can never be affected. Body cannot touch me, role cannot touch me, sun cannot touch me, no one can touch me in this entire world. Therefore, in me, the Kotastha Chaitanyam, all roles are playing. Can the silver come and afflict that shell? Shell says, Silvara, Gilvara. Silvare illiye to affect me. Adhe madre husband gives வைஃபா கைஃபா ஒன்றுமே ரியலாக கிடையாது எஃபெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. எஃபெக்ட் இருந்தால் தானே எஃபெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஷைன் ஆகட்டுமே என்னால். ஹோல் கிளாஸ் இஸ் லைக் எ ட்ராமா, isn't it? Every word is like a drama. You are playing your character. You are the Kotastha Chaitanyam. You cannot be other than Kotastha Chaitanyam. I, you and he, everything are only abhasam. Kotastha Chaitanyam is one. Who are we now? We are really Kotastha Chaitanyam alone. You cannot be other than Kotastha Chaitanyam. If you want to be also, you cannot. Now that is the knowledge. I cannot be other than Brahman. I can never be other than Brahman. Impossible. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.